All right, we got a couple of things that we've got to get done today. We're getting back into the garden, but this week we've got all sorts of rain that's going to be happening, so we still need to mulch the garden, build the lattice, propagate some tomatoes. So we have a lot to do, a little bit of time to do it before the rain comes, so we're going to go ahead and get started.
No, I don't want to go to Lowe's. I want to get this done. One man's trash is another man's treasure. It's time for us to go take one man's trash.
Getting someone's trash? Okay, we're back with wood.
Here's what we use the wood for from the neighbors. Yeah, it looks rough, but you know what, it's functional. And we may try to fix it later.
Look, make the green look.
We are starting to get some rain, so we need to go ahead and get this thing mulched. The kids have worked really hard and they have gotten the cardboard down, and so now it's time to start getting mulch all over the garden. I'll be honest with you, we don't know what we're doing. We've done some watching things on YouTube. We've done a lot of reading. We've asked a lot of questions. We had a neighbor that was getting rid of some mulch, and we said, we'll take it because we heard that mulch is a good thing to put around or in your garden. We've heard that putting mulch down has multiple benefits, that it helps absorb water and excess rain, that it helps retain water in the ground during seasons of drought or reduced rain. We've heard that also it creates a weed barrier. We've heard all sorts of things. We don't know if any of those things are true, but we're trying it because we don't know what we're doing, and so we're relying on other people and what it is that they've told us in order to do it. And they may be completely telling us wrong, but you know what? We're excited about it either way. So we may have vegetables when it's all said and done, or we may have just a nice mulched area. Either way, we're excited about the journey. We're excited about seeing what happens. All right, so now we have the garden mulched and ready to grow. Yes, there's a pun there. So good start to the day. Now we're probably gonna get some tomatoes propagated so that we can go ahead and plant our next level of tomatoes for the next tomato growing season coming up in the next couple months. So.
Daddy, I'm gonna pick this up.
That's right. Thank you for choosing to check out our video blog and joining us on this journey to thriving. Please be sure to click the link to subscribe. That way you can follow our journeys as we are going through all sorts of adventures and maybe even some misadventures through life.
Thank